Re le amohela mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baobab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baobab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Tumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen. Locha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. We say how's it and Eta. What's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen and Kunjani. Locha, Botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng.
Ke tshepa hore le ratile pina ya rona metswalle.
Nna ke ratile haholo.
Hantle haholo Baobab.
Eya, ho bina ho monate haholo.
Le nna ke a dumela Baobab. Ho bina ho a thabisa.
Ho a thabisa.
Metswalle, tsatsing lena nna le Baobab re lo ja tinara mane restauranteng.
Eya, ke tla be ke qala ho ya restauranteng. Empa ke tshohile hanyane.
Hao, hobaneng Baobab?
Batho ba tla be ba ntjhebile ke ja.
Tjhehe bo Baobab. Batho ha ba nake batho ba bang ha ba le restauranteng. E mong le e mong o shebile dijo tsa hae.
Oho, jwale ba ka se ntshehe.
Hao Baobab, ba ka se kehle mokgotsi wa ka. Ebile ha ba tsebe hore wena o qala ho ya restauranteng.
Oho, jwale ke etseng ha beng ba restauranta ba mpha dijo tseo nna ke sa di rateng.
Baobab, ke wena o tlo kgethang hore o batla dijo tse feng.
Hao, ka nnete, haebe ha ba di tshwara.
Wena mokgotsi, ba tla o fa menu wa dijo tseo ba nang le tsona. O tla be o se kgetha dijo tse ngwetsweng ka hara menu.
Oho, ke se ke bona hanyane.
Ntho e nngwe le nngwe eo o ikopang, ba tla leka bojohle hore ba o etsetse yona.
Ba tlamehile be ba rata ho thabisa batho.
Ke mosebetsi wa bona Baobab. Ha ba sa thabisi batho ba jelang restauranteng ya bona, batho ba ka seke ba kgutlela moo.
Oho, ho a kgahlisa ho.
Mohlomong jwale ha wa tshoha ho ya restauranteng.
Letswalo le ntse le le tenyana.
O se ke wa tshwenyega mokgotsi wa ka. Ke tla be ke na le wena nako tsohle.
Wa tshepisa?
Eya, ke a o tshepisa.
Wa thabisa.
Metswalle, nna le lona le kile la ya restauranteng. Oh, ke a bona.
Ke hloka ho hopola melao kaofela ya ho ja ka thipa le foroko. Le eng hape?
Hao baby Pep, se ke wa nahana haholo ka yona.
Ke a leka.
Brazil, I go to the restaurant with my dad. My name is Kaylin and I love going by the restaurant with my mom.
Re a leboha haholo metswalle. Utlwile baby Pep, metswalle ya rona e tseba dilo tse ngata.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka.
Empa metswalle ya ka, ke nako ya hore re phomoleng hanyane fela.
Se ke nna tsamaya metswalle.
Eya, re tla be re tshwere ntho tse ngata ha re hutla. Dulang hona moo.
Re tla e bona hona jwale.
Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Wow, hello again, friends.
We are having such a fun time today. Baby Pep, what do you say we go see what our friend the Giraffe Scope has for us today?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go. This is our friend the Giraffe Scope.
Yippee! Giraffe scope!
We love the Giraffe Scope. When we look through the Giraffe Scope, we can see far, far away. We can look anywhere we want. The Giraffe Scope is very clever. Oh, look! There are children sitting at a table eating. I wonder where they are. Oh, now I see. They are eating out at a restaurant. Look, that's the person who prepares the food at a restaurant. That is a chef. And the people that give them their food are called waiters and waitresses. The children are given balloons when they're done eating. I'm sure it's because they chose to eat healthy food and finished it. Well done. That was some amazing view we saw today.
Yes, it was, Lolo.
See, I told you the Giraffe Scope could see anything, anywhere, and that was great. Awesome. All done with the Giraffe Scope. Let's put it away and catch it another time.
Twist my tail!
Radio ya rona e se e loketse ho bapala pina e monate. Nna le batla ho mamela?
Le nna ke batla ho mamela.
Okay, baby Pep. Le se le lokile metswalle? Ho lokile, ha re bineng he. Jare dula fat sena kinete hare jare dula fat sena kinete hare bapale re dula han dula 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 fat hare jare dula fat sena kinete ho monate, sena ke nnete.
Ya se ka ba monate pina yane. Ha re bina hape Senolo.
Ho lokile he baby Pep. Metswalle, le lona le etseng le rona. Ha re ja re dula fatshe, sena ke nnete. Ha re ja re dula fatshe, sena ke nnete. Ha re bapale re dula hantle, dula fatshe. Ha re ja re dula fatshe, sena ke nnete. Re kwala melomo ha re hlafunya, sena ke nnete. Re kwala melomo ha re hlafunya, sena ke nnete. Ha re tshwele ha re qoqe, re kwala melomo ha re hlafunya, sena ke nnete. Ho jella kantle ho monate, sena ke nnete. Ho jella kantle ho monate, sena ke nnete. Ho monate le batswadi, ha 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 ha. Ho jella kantle ho monate, sena ke nnete.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka.
Friends, let's play a game called Odd One Out. I'm going to show you some pictures and you must say which one doesn't go with the rest. Okay, let's start. Which is the odd one out? Ooh, is it this one? Ooh, or is it this one? Oh, how about this one? Yes, this one is the odd one out. Yay! Let's play again. Let's play one last time. Woohoo! Which is the odd one out? Whee! Is it this one? Oh, is it this one? Wow! Or is it this one? Yes, again! This one is the odd one out. You're so good at this. Thank you so much for playing with me, friends. Twist my tail.
This is our magic toolbox, Tuli, and inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make a toilet roll baker. Let's wake Tuli up. Hello, Tuli. I want to make a toilet roll baker. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Oh, good. It sounds as if Tuli is ready. Let me reach inside. So, I'll need some crayons, white paper with the baker man drawn on it, a toilet paper roll, some glue, a pair of scissors, I can't feel anything else, Tuli. Is that all I need? Oh, great. Let's go make our baker.
Make and do, make and do.
Oh, do you have everything, Lolo?
Yes, baby Bap, I have everything. Now we can make our toilet paper roll baker. Great, let's make it. So first, I will take my paper that already has my baker man drawn here. See?
Wow!
Friends, you can get this image from either the internet or a drawing book. So what we'll do is we'll take our crayons and we'll start coloring in.
Oh, brown hair.
And you do the same with all the parts. Once you're done coloring in, what you'll need to do is cut each of them out. Like that.
Oh.
Now I have my Baker Man.
Oh.
So, once you've already cut all of them out, this is what you'll have. The head, the cake, the two hands, the feet, and the chef's robe. See?
Wow.
What we need to do next is we need to take a paper roll. We'll start off by sticking the face onto the chef's clothes, like that.
Oh.
So we take some glue. Be careful with glue because it's very sticky.
Yeah.
Put some there
Oh.
and you stick it down, like that. Then we have to stick it down on our roll. See?
Oh.
Put some glue. Stick it down. See?
Oh, Nala, what are you going to do next?
Now, our Baker Man needs arms and legs. So now I'm going to take this arm, fold it at the end right here. Then put some glue on the folded part, like that. Then stick it on the side.
Oh.
The same with the leg. Take a leg, fold it in like that. Put some glue. And what we'll do is, we'll take the folded part, put it in the roll like that, and stick it down. Now we'll take our cake, put some glue on, stick the cake on the hand. See? And we do that on the other side. I've already made my Baker's Man here. See? Now I can put him in the restaurant.
Yes, yes, yeah! Wah, wah, wah. Twist my tail!
Oh, do you hear that, Baby Bab? It sounds like the mailbox. Maybe we have a letter. Thank you, Mr. Mailbox.
Oh, Nalo! What is it?
Oh, it's a letter.
Yippee! I love letters.
It says, "Hello, friends. My name is Stephen, but you can call me Steve. I am 4 years old.
Oh, wow! Hello, Stephen. Steve.
I can do many animal sounds. I sound like a dog,
Woof, woof.
a cat,
Meow.
a bird, and a lion. I enjoy doing the sounds a lot, and my friends like it too. Thank you for spending time with me in the mornings."
Woohoo! Thank you for spending time with us, Steve.
Yes, thank you so much for the letter, Steve. I'm glad that you can also make bird sounds.
Whoa! Do you think you can do the chicken dance? Bark, bark, bark.
Well, let us know if you can, Steve. Well, that was a fun time we had today. I hope you can come back and join us soon, friends. Baby Bab. We'll see our friends again soon.
Oh, you promise?
I promise.
Oh, see you and you and you soon.
Bye, friends. Tsatsing lena, inside the Baobab tree, re ithutile ka hore ho etsahalang ha o ya restauranteng. Re ile ra bina pina e monate. Giraffe scope e re bontshitse hore ho etsahalang restauranteng. Ebile re iketseditse toilet roll baker ka nako ya make and do. Ka nnete e ne e le letsatsi le monate. Re tjhakeleng hape mona inside the Baobab tree. Ho ne ho le monate ho ba le lona. Salang hantle metswalle.